Just even this looks beautiful. It looks like it's coming out of your skin. It's glowing. Hi everyone, Natasha here. Welcome back to this week's Tip Tuesdays. It's a new series that I'm starting where every Tuesday I will be bringing a new beauty tip / trick. And today's tip is credited to celebrity makeup artist Harush. It's all about the easy hack for a perfect smoky eye, because if you're like me, you have definitely had your fair share of really bad tries at a good smoky eye. Definitely not easy to do. It definitely takes practice. And today I'm going to show you how you can create your own eyeshadow base to create that perfect smoky eye that you'd like. And I'm going to start with concealer. So you can use any concealer you have. This is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the color Tan Neutral. I'm going to put a little bit of the concealer on the back of my hand, and then you can use any eyeshadow palette you have, but I'm going to be using the James Charles eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the color, well, I don't know what the name of this color is, but it is this beautiful nude brown here. And you use any flat synthetic brush you have. This brush is from Sigma. So what you're gonna do is, you're actually gonna, I know this is not something that you would wanna do to your palettes because I didn't wanna do it to mine, but it is a good, easy hack, and I was like, why not? So you're actually gonna scrape some eyeshadow using the back of your brush. And it's gonna look like this, and then you're gonna go ahead and drop that to the back of your hand where the concealer was. This is how it's gonna look before you start blending it, and mix that all in until there's no fallout. And that's gonna be the primer to start the smoky eye. So it's gonna be your base. And you can use any color you want. You don't have to use nudes. You can use pink, green, blue, red. I mean, it depends on what color you want your smoky eye to be, but you can use any color you want. And so once you blend that in properly, it's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna go ahead and take your brush, you're gonna dip it into what you just blended, and then you're gonna go in and apply it to your lid. While you're applying it, you can go ahead and lift and pull it up, because you're going to smoke out the crease after this. But this is a great way for the eyeshadow to latch on and last throughout the whole day. So here I am lifting it up to the crease. And of course, I'll be going ahead and adding one more layer just because there are some spots that still need to be filled in. But this is the idea of what you want to accomplish. So you create that base, and then you build on top of that base to create the perfect eyeshadow look. So this is pretty much it. And then you go ahead and do the same thing onto this eye. And I'm gonna show you guys in this next video how my full smoky eye came out. So if you guys wanna see the full look, like step by step, comment below and I'll go ahead and create a video for you guys. Okay, so I just had to do the rest of the face off camera because I was getting too sidetracked. I realized that I cannot multitask. That is pretty much it for this week's Tip Tuesdays. If you guys did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know if you guys have any tricks that you want to share. Also, subscribe to my channel for some more tips and tricks coming up every Tuesday, as well as other videos. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications, that way you get notified, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!